Okay, let's go back a little bit. In 1929, in Venice, during the Great Depression, the town, like most places in America, was losing its economy and was about to go under. The Ohio Oil Company came in and built a well just east of the Grand Canal in Venice, one of the two north-south canals bordering the now coveted and historic residential district of Venice, Santa Monica. It was producing about 3,000 barrels of oil per day. The news spread like wildfire, and oil fever commenced. Residents mobbing City Hall, demanding rezoning to allow for more drilling, thus more money. So people were now just drilling all over this part of Southern California, Venice, Santa Monica, just oil money. Um, so again, during the Great Depression, everyone needed it. And within a year, there were about 50 wells producing about $75,000 a week, which was a lot of money back then. Uh, this obviously had immense environmental and safety issues. Oil waste flooding during in the lagoons and blackening the once lovely canals with sludge. Schools near the wells were closed because of safety issues, and the beach was horribly, horribly, horribly polluted. Like nobody went there. And the drilling continued till about 1932, and then took about a decade, right, 10 years for it to get about 48 million barrels of oil out of the shoreline. So basically, crude oil was just bubbling in the water all over this part of Southern California. By the 1950s, it was so bad they called this area the slum by the sea. So due to the oil sludge, the park closed. Everything closed. So it was just disgusting. You couldn't even go down there. So this beautiful, like modern amusement park utopia uh, was halted or just shut down because of this period of oil spillage all over the beaches. Huh, watch this.